Good morning, students. So today we are going to learn percentage. In our previous period, how to find a percentage or meaning of a percentage. Per means every 100 or out of. For every or out of. Or cent means 100. So percent means for every 100 or out of 100. So in this exercise, change each of the following into a percentage. Here, fraction is given 2 upon 5. This fraction is converted into percentage form. So see here, in a denominator 5 is present. In a denominator 5 is present. So you know 25 5s are 100. 25 5s are 100. When in a denominator 4 is present, so multiply by 25 in a numerator or denominator. When 5 is present in denominator, so multiply by 20 in a numerator or denominator. Then any number is present, so multiply by 100 in numerator or denominator. Then we will convert it into percentage form. So see here in the first example 2 upon 5. So in a numerator or denominator multiply by 20. Why? In a denominator 5 is present. So 22s are 40 or 25 5s are 100. So your answer is here 1 upon 100. Meaning of 1 upon 100 is percentage. So your answer is here 40%. 40%. Next example 1 upon 4. Very easy. You know 1 upon 4 in a denominator 4 is present, so multiply by 25 in a numerator or denominator. So 1 multiply by 25 or in a denominator 4 multiply by 25 is equal to 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are 100. And then 25 upon 100, meaning of this 25 percentage. 25 percentage. Very easy. The next third one 5 upon 25. 5 upon 25. You know which number multiply by 25 we get 100. 25 4s are 100. 4 multiply by 25 or 25 multiply by 4, then we get also 100. So in a numerator multiply by same number 5 multiply by 4. In a numerator or in denominator 25 multiply by 4. Then we get 5 4s are 20. Then 25 4s are 100. Then we get answer here 20 percentage. 20 percentage. Then next D 9 upon 20. 9 upon 20. You do it. 9 upon 20. You do it. You know in a denominator 20. Which number multiply 20? We get 100. 25 5s are 100. So in a numerator we multiply by 5. Then this will be converted into percentage. And 1 integer 1 upon 3. Here mixed fraction is given. 1 integer 1 upon 3. So this is the mixed fraction. So mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction. 1 integer 1 upon 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 upon 3. So here 3. Which number multiply by 3? Then we get 100. No. Any number can multiply with 3. Then not get 100. So you will simply multiply by 100 upon 100. Then 4 multiplied by 100 is 400. Here 3 as it is, or 1 upon 100. So meaning of 1 upon 100 is percentage. So 3 divides 400. 3 1s are 3. 1 remains 10. 3 3s are 9. Again 1 remain. 10, 3 3s are 9. 1, 3 3s are 9. So your answer is here 133.33 percentage. Meaning of 1 upon 100 is percentage. So you write directly here. So here 400 divides 3. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 1 remains. On 1 you write 0. 10. 10 is not present in 3, but less than value 3 3s are 9. So write here 3 and 10 minus 9 again 1. On again 1 write you write 0 10. So 3 3s again 3 3s are 9. So write here 3 or 9 minus 10 minus 9 again 1. But 3 divides 1 not possible. So you take a decimal point, then again you divide continuously up to 2 decimal point. So your answer is here 133.33 percentage. Next, G. One integer 3 upon 4. Very easy. This is example very easy. In a denominator 4 is present, so you solve easily. Which number multiplier? First converted into improper fraction. 4 1 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 upon 4. Then we get here denominator 4 is present. So which number multiplied by 4? 25. 25 4s are 100. 7 multiplied by 25 upon 4 multiplied by 25. Then we get 25 7s are 175. 25 7s are 175. 25 4s are 100. So your answer is here 175 percentage. 175 percentage. So 4 integer 2 upon 5. 4 integer 2 upon 5 and I 6 integer 2 upon 5. Here denominator 5. So first converted into improper fraction. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 22. 22 upon 5. And in denominator 5 is present. You know which number multiplied by 5? Then we get 120. 25s are 100. So in the numerator and denominator multiply by 20 and then you convert into percentage. So these 2 examples you do it. Thank you. So next, in the next example, decimal 2.7. 2.7. So here these values converted into percentage form. How convert? Here decimal point after 1 digit. And you know the meaning of decimal point after 1 digit is 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10. Decimal point after 2 digits, so write 1 upon 100. Decimal point after 3 digits, so write 1 upon 1000. So here decimal point after 1 digit, so write down in 27 upon 10. 27 upon 10. Then which number multiplied by 10? We get 100. 10 tens are 100. So in a numerator or denominator multiply by 10. Then 27 tens are 270 upon 100 is equal to 270 percentage. 270 percentage. Then 1 upon meaning of 1 upon 100 is percentage, you know. Then Next, 3.55, very easy. 3.55. Here decimal point after one digit. So write 355 upon 100 and is equal to 355 upon 100. Meaning of this term is 355 percentage over. Then 5.4. You solve first. You like this. Same way. Here decimal point after one digit. So 54 upon 10. Then 54 multiplied by 10. Again in a denominator 10 multiplied by 10. Then we get 54 10 the 540. 10 10 the 100. Then we get answer here 540 percentage. 540 percentage. So 2.9 here. Zero. I will take it. These examples, you do it. Thank you. Here exercise 13.2 is completed. In the next video, we see it next.